Want to burn more calories without adding a single extra workout? Sounds fake, but it's 100% real. And most people miss these metabolism boosters hidden in their daily routine. If you want an effortless fat burn, watch this till the end. Welcome back to Flip Fit Yourself, the place where smart, simple science turns into results. If you're serious about losing weight faster, hit like, subscribe, and let's upgrade your metabolism. NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, burns more calories daily than your workouts. And you don't need to exercise at all. Just increasing NEAT can help you burn an extra 200 to 500 calories without changing your schedule. Some foods force your body to burn more calories just to digest them. Top fat-burning foods include lean protein like chicken, eggs, and tofu, along with fiber-rich foods such as veggies, oats, and beans. Don't forget spices like chili and cayenne pepper, and beverages like green tea or black coffee. Just swapping one carb-heavy meal for a high-protein one increases calorie burn by up to 30% during digestion. Cold makes your body work harder to keep you warm, meaning more calories burned. Easy ways include drinking cold water throughout the day, taking a 30-second cold shower at the end of your routine, or keeping your room slightly cooler. Even a glass of ice water burns calories as your body warms it inside you. Standing tall doesn't just make you look confident, it activates core and back muscles all day. This one change can burn 50 to 100 extra calories daily. Don't underestimate 30-second moves. Try these every hour: 10 calf raises, 10 squats, a 20-second stretch, or arm circles and shoulder rolls. These microbursts wake up your metabolism instantly. You don't need more workouts. You need smarter daily habits that burn calories around the clock. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe to Flip Fit Yourself, and comment "burn more" so I know you're committed.